Welcome to the AC Hotel Kingston. I'm Shelly-Ann Norton, Director of Sales, and we're here today to take you on a virtual tour of Jamaica's leading business lifestyle hotel, the AC Hotel Kingston. Let's take a look at our event spaces. We are one of the biggest hotel-based event venues in Jamaica, designed to cater to small and large groups. Our 6 cutting-edge indoor facilities offer collaborative or formal layouts, integrated technologies, blackout facilities for presentations, and ergonomical seating. All of our meeting spaces are located on the ground floor, providing curbside and easy access to our 3-story parking facility that can accommodate 400 parking spaces. Our diverse venue options include manicured outdoor facilities for corporate groups and social events, such as the rooftop space with breathtaking views of the city.
Hi, I am Chantel Wellington, Sales Supervisor for the AC Hotel in Kingston. Here we have our largest indoor facility, the Rocksteady Ballroom, spanning over 8,000 square feet. The Rocksteady Ballroom can be broken out into 3 separate spaces, accommodating a maximum of 300 persons theater style. The space is perfect for large meetings, conferences, and special occasion celebrations such as weddings and birthday parties. Our Blue Mountain space can accommodate up to 50 persons and has floor-to-ceiling windows, providing ample lighting and outdoor views. The space also has blackout facilities that allow guests privacy during their event. The space is ideal for corporate huddles, staff training, and small events. The keys provide the perfect layout for intimate boardroom and hybrid meetings and can facilitate up to 14 persons. This space is perfect for corporate clients looking to host small-scale breakfast or lunch meetings. The Innovation Gallery boasts a contemporary layout and can facilitate up to 50 persons. Host a viewing party with your friends or a corporate mixer with your co-workers. The possibilities in this space are endless.
Our 6 indoor meeting facilities feature state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment. All rooms have their own ClickShare wireless setup for projecting and presentation, removing the unsightly wiring while providing optimal use of our spaces. Our built-in TV One studio system is one of the highest rated video switching systems on the market.